Welcome back. Welcome back. My name is Patrick Nolan. I'm an attorney licensed in the state of Missouri. This is Pat Talks Law. Today I wanted to bring some news to you. Earlier this week, we had the first steps in a meeting amongst cannabis activists and industry attorneys in how to address the Supreme Court's comment number 8 that has led to so much concern and well, quite frankly, strife on the internet. So after the meeting of attorneys where there was some issues laid out how we were going to approach things, there was a joint statement, and the people at this meeting, it was leadership in Missouri NORML, Canna Convict Project, Canna Matriarchs, Missouri Cannabis Network, Missouri Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers, multiple cannabis law firms, and they all met to discuss the recently adopted Comment 8 to the ethics rules, which may be the basis for attorney discipline going forward. Out of that meeting, there is a joint statement. I'm going to read that to you right now. Quote, Missouri attorneys and advocacy organizations are working diligently to attain clarification from the Missouri Supreme Court regarding the addition of comment number 8. A formal opinion has been requested from the Supreme Court Advisory Committee to clarify if and how Missouri medical marijuana program attorneys and patients will be affected. At this time, these organizations do not believe that patient legal rights will be impacted by this comment, and the legal representation of medical marijuana patients will still be available. However, we do not intend to let this decision go unanswered, and will continue to pressure the state to uphold the constitutional protections of medical patients and attorneys. An updated statement will be provided upon receipt of a response from the state. Thank you for your patience and understanding. End quote. Now, that response is going to take a little while. And, what they're going to say, we don't know yet. But please understand that the industry attorneys take this extremely seriously and are working to make sure that they can continue the way they are. There are a number of crazy things that would happen if this were to be enforced on attorneys in the state of Missouri. It could lead to a lot of problems. So let's slow down and see where this is going to go before we fly off the handle, jump off the hook, out of the frying pan in the fire, whichever cliche you want to use. Right now, it's a matter of seeing where exactly we are and how we're going to move forward. And look, in this group, I was at this meeting, there are some brilliant attorneys, so that's going to be a good thing. So thank you. This is a very short video. It's just an update so that you're aware that the attorneys and the advocacy groups are talking about it and they are working together. And look, if it comes to a point where we need you to go out and protest, that we'll tell you. Right now, it's too early. Don't go flying off the handle. Don't send hate mail to anybody. Let's see where we are first. Thank you.